What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to go ahead and continue working on the Jeep. I haven't been able to film a lot of stuff, so I just was so busy doing everything for the last couple of months now. So I did get the chance to complete the rear fender, and what I'm going to do in this video here is just go ahead and go through the process of what I went through to get this finished. So let's go ahead and start the video. All right, so got a little bit more work done on the bumper. What I went ahead and did here is finished up all the design of what I'm gonna do with the bumper, and I went ahead and covered it over with tape, as you've seen in the previous videos that I done. I went ahead and applied some wax to the surface. So this is all prepped and ready for some PVA now. What I'm gonna do, I had these little edges that I'm gonna do for the mold mock-ups. So I have to go finish up these and spray it with PVA. I only did 1/2 of the bumper because I ran low on clay. So I didn't want to have to go ahead and order more clay. So I'm just gonna go do 1/2, finish that up, do all the fiberglass work to it. And then hopefully everything goes good. Looks pretty good. Like how it came out with the diffuser. So yeah, let's go ahead and just start the rest of the process.
Like tripping too close to falling, so I'm balling. It's crazy, my up got shot, but I ain't caught.
All right, so I'm just about finished with the bumper. I have to do some bracketing to get the bumper to sit in where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna be making a bracket across there, across the frame of the vehicle, across here. I put in these what do you call it? Push button, instant release, quick release button. So these are what's gonna hold the bumper to the car. Also, I'm gonna run a frame. I made a support from the frame come down halfway of the bumper, so that'll be able to pull the bottom end a little bit towards the car. Yeah, I got to make a little lip for the bumper for the diffuser to attach to the bumper, so I'm gonna be riveting the diffuser to the bumper itself and see if that does the trick. Also come around here, have the other side. So what I'm gonna do, making some brackets. I got 3D print some across this area here. That's what holds the bumper up in this corner. So I'm gonna 3D print something there, and yeah, looking pretty good, almost finished. Hopefully I could get this done from the end of the project at the end of this video, and continue on with something else at the end. Let's go ahead and create some brackets.